Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be sharing a journey, one that started the moment I first stepped into this college. I had no idea what my bachelor journey would look like. I didn't know who my lifelong friends would be, what challenges would test me, or what milestone I would achieve along the way. But today, standing here, I can proudly say that I found all of those answers through friendships, through mentorships, and through achievements I never thought possible. This journey has been filled with laughter, tears, mistakes, and lessons. I've fallen, I've fought, I've cried, I've been hurt, and I've hurt others along the way. But above all, I've discovered myself, and that I believe is the greatest achievement of all. There were moments where my teachers, mentors, and friends found me a little difficult to handle, maybe even a little stubborn and obnoxious at times. But despite that, I was always valued, loved, and admired by the people I care about the most. And that is something I'll carry with me for the rest of my life. To my friends, Priya, Nikhil, Khushbu, Aarti, Amisha, Kushal, Ayush Shrestha, Mahaset, Pravesh, Vivek, Snehi, Upasna, Abhinay, and Swapnil, and few others. You will always be engraved in my heart forever, from the sweetest moment to the harshest, bittersweet fights. Every moment we created will stay with me, reminding me how much this journey mattered because of you all. Some of you held me the tightest when I was at my lowest, and some of you clapped the loudest on my achievements. I'll always remember the moments and the love and strength behind them. And of course to Uniglobe. Thank you for shaping me, challenging me, and making me stronger. Because of this journey, I can step into the real world, not just as a graduate, but as someone who is ready to take on life. So yes, today marks the end of our college chapter, but it is also the beginning of something greater. We're not just living with degrees, we're living with friendships, lessons, and versions of ourselves we all should be proud of. Thank you very much.